second largest state after Uttar Pradesh has become that one swing state where the Mahavikas Aghadi has got more seats than the Mahayuti. The Mahayuti, which is a partnership between the BJP, the Shiv Sena Eknath Shinde group and the NCP group of Ajit Pawar, it is on over 18 seats of the 48 seats, whereas the Mahavikas Aghadi is leading on 29 of the 48 seats. Clearly, it's a mandate in favor of Mahavikas Aghadi. One of the most watched fights in Maharashtra was that of Baramati, where a Pawar was fighting against a Pawar for the first time. Supriya Sule, a three-time MP, was defending against her own sister-in-law and wife of Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, Sunetra Pawar. Sunetra Pawar has lost by almost 1.5 lakh votes in the bastion of the Pawars, which has been there for decades at end, thereby strengthening the hold of Sharad Pawar over the Baramati Lok Sabha constituency. When you look at the other pictures as well, may it be Konkan, may it be Marathwada, North Maharashtra, Western Maharashtra, Thane region, Mumbai, we have seen that the BJP's share has come down substantially and the Congress's share of seats has also gone up commensurately. So while the BJP has won on 10 of the 28 seats it fought, it is the Congress which has won on 13 seats that of the total seats that it has fought till now. But the most important factor is the NCP Sharad Pawar group. That group under the leadership of Sharad Pawar fought on 10 seats, and looking at the strike rate, which is the best across all parties in the state, it has won 7 of the 10 seats that it has fought. Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena in some sense has resolved the battle of inheritance as to who is the true inheritor of Babasaheb Thackeray's thoughts. Uddhav Thackeray has fought on 21 seats and has won on 9 of those 21 seats, whereas Eknath Shinde, who fought on 15 seats, has won 7 of those 15 seats. So the mandate is clearly fractured, but clearly in favor of the Mahavikas Aghadi, though it may not translate to any changes at the central level. What it is definitely going to bring up is a kind of boost or fillip for the Vidhan Sabha elections. Remember, Ajit Pawar's group has been able to get only 1 of the 4 seats it has fought. Clear humiliation is on the Baramati seat, which was a seat of prestige for the entire Mahayuti alliance. But the only seat it has gained is that of Raigad under Sunil Tatkare. So this has led to speculations on whether all those MLAs who had gone with Ajit Pawar might now return to the fold of Sharad Pawar, or will there be any changes at the cusp of the Vidhan Sabha elections which are going to take place in Maharashtra within the next few months, clearly with a mandate in favor of the Mahavikas Aghadi in Maharashtra. This is a shot in the arm for Uddhav Thackeray, for Sharad Pawar and for Congress to go ahead and prepare collectively for the state elections.